Hey girl,
Sorry.
Took a chance on a good thing, yeah. Now I got you on my right wing. Making love like it's
Hey y'all, welcome to Wilder Dynasty. If you're new here, I go by Jerry. Go ahead, like, comment, share, subscribe already. I am waiting for this video to upload. This is actually part 2 of my living room and dining room makeover. Y'all, I feel like I'm so behind in my vlogs, but I feel like at the same time I'm really not. But I think it's a lot because I'm doing it slowly but surely. Y'all, it is 2 o'clock. Like, does this what it feel like not to be rushing? And I still haven't nothing to eat yet. I actually took my time today. I got dressed. Just been in the moment, really. And now, like, my stomach is just starting to growl. Let me show you my outfit today. And then, y'all, I did my whole makeup. Like, I don't do this on a regular, okay? I really don't do this on a regular. I don't know what made me do it, though. But nonetheless, gotta get my hand sanitizer. Don't know what I'll be out here doing today. Well, this afternoon, because I feel like the day already passed, just me being in this room all day. But I'm not complaining. Got my tripod, bringing an extra battery, because I don't know what I'm doing. And y'all, outfit of the day looks like this. And my little go-to shoes that I always wear anymore, now that I brought them. But yeah, outfit of the day. But let's get going.
SMS text 11:18 a.m.
hey girl,
Sorry. That's a commercial, y'all. I want something different. You know, like every time you go someplace, like, you want to try new places. That's what I want. I want something different. I don't want the same thing. Yeah, we're going to try this Colombian place. I got is an awesome guy he raised. Don't have enough love with it. I got is an awesome guy. There ain't no stopping us now. There ain't no blocking us. I'm so hot, y'all. Like, Florida is hot. Trying to get all my air, and though I like parked in the front, like the door is like right there, it's still hot. I still gotta walk in this hot sun to get right there. But yeah, let's a purse on. Make sure I got my money, y'all, cause it would be me. Ooh. La Mordida restaurant, bar, and grill. Let's see what this is about. Oh, definitely Halloween night. Do I want to be seated? I ain't playing it too much because it's not playing, you know, copyright.
and you text me in the morning, you're available. Am I dreaming? Can't believe I forgot this feeling. Finally found the one in my life. that I wanna be with. No more seeking. I'm sure I'll always choose you first. You're my baby, it's true. You're so damn worth. There's no one like you. Yeah, too rare to find, 'cause you are.
Interrupting you?
No, you're fine.
How is it? Is good, everything? You want another one? You want water? What can I do for you?
This is Pam.
Is it Jeff?
Yep.
You want to take it?
No.
No?
I'm gonna finish just a little bit.
Okay, I trust you.
You know when you sit down and the people that like you know have a drink or two, y'all understand. When you sit down, that's when the alcohol hits you. I only had 1 cup and I'm feeling really good right now. It's like a spontaneous feel good. I don't know what I'm about to get into. The food there was really good. The customer service was amazing. I will definitely come back here. The music, it was a vibe. The drink, it was really good. Though I don't know what I got, but I got something. But it was really good. So I just got to the nail spot. So I wasn't really going back and forth in regards to me doing my nails and my toes or just getting them done. And I was just like, well, it's me time, so I might as well go ahead and get them done. However, there is actually a spot next to it that I was also thinking about doing, which was a massage. Like, they are literally next door to each other, and I just looked it up online to like see what the ratings and stuff is, and it's really high for the area. So your girl is thinking about just getting both of them done.
No words to describe.
Nếu cái của chị Loan mà làm dip á, thì đổi sang anh Út. Anh Út bắt cái này cho em.
I said I want something different, but also just want something, because I know November is right here.
Yeah, it is. Can't go wrong with silver or gold. Or rose gold.
Rose gold?
Yeah.
The way that you shine, an angel in disguise. Oh, wanna make you mine, One type, that's you. If like that view, us two en route, first class.
Video earlier today, and it was of a movie that she was in.
Wow.
Baby serious, serious. The real daughter.
Really? I haven't gotten that one before.
Really?
No. Not gotten her before.
Honolulu, we just vibing, relaxing in the sun till we gazing at the stars that we're counting and counting. 내가 항상 옆에 있을 테니 걱정 따위 필요 없어. Ain't going nowhere 약속. It's no joke. 너 만나고 매일 기도해 our future. Only with you I see the bigger picture. 솔직히 우리보다 더 많은 사이 없어. You know it, girl. I'm sure I'll always choose you first.
Oh yeah, the experience here is really good. I don't have any complaints. My nails turned out to be amazing. So yeah, on to my feet.
Baby, it's true. You're so damn worth, there's no one like you. Yeah, too rare to find, cause you are, you're one of a kind. No words to describe the way that you shine. An angel in disguise. I wanna make you mine. 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 We like bread and butter, AC in the summer always make me wonder how you never get me feeling under flawless from head to toe. You never hit a single wrong, no. 확신 필요해, girl I got you. 미래 그릴 때 always gonna include you. You deserve the best, I'ma be true. Put my hand on my chest, cause you're one of a kind. No words to describe the way that you shine. An angel in disguise. I wanna make you mine. You're one of a kind. No words to describe the way that you shine. An angel in disguise. I wanna make you mine. I wanna make you mine. Baby, it's true. You're so damn worth, there's no one like you. Yeah, too rare to find, cause you are, you're one of a kind. No words to describe the way that you shine.
Y'all, the amount I just paid, I'm just like, I see why I do my stuff myself. Yes. Thank you. Have a good day. Y'all, massage complete. This wasn't actually like a self-care day for me. Like, so CVS did not have what I want. Now I am here at Wally World to get me a few things and to see what Walmart has for me. I was actually listening to someone, I forgot what I was listening to, but they were like literally like blown down arguing about this, and I'm just like, why y'all arguing about it? But now I'm wondering, but comment down below, how often do you buy like your underclothes? Like, do you switch them out every few months? Do you wear them until you can't wear them no more? Like, how often do y'all change? Y'all, when I was getting my massage, I forgot to tell y'all that a lady broke my earring. So I've been walking around all evening with one earring. And then she had a nerve to try to fix it. It was so cute. And I was like, it's okay.